You walk into the market, and suddenly your English disappears. You want to say, "How much is this?" but your mind goes blank. You understand the words,
But they just don't come out naturally.
you feel shy, nervous, or worried about pronunciation. Don't worry, we'll fix that together today. You'll learn how to speak English confidently and naturally while shopping at the market, just like a fluent speaker.
Welcome to Shadow and Speak English Daily, your space to grow, to learn to speak freely. Practice, repeat, and shine today. Let your English lead the way.
Hi everyone, I'm Jessica, and welcome back to Shadow and Speak English Daily. In today's daily English practice, we'll practice real-life English sentences you can use at the market to ask for prices, talk politely, and sound confident. You'll shadow repeat and build your speaking confidence step by step. So, take a deep breath, smile, and get ready to speak English naturally. Let's begin your practice. Step 1. Starting the conversation. Imagine you've just walked into a busy local market. There are fresh fruits, vegetables, and friendly shopkeepers everywhere. Let's start with greetings. Simple, polite, and friendly. Repeat after me slowly. Shadow practice. Hi, good morning. Hello, how are you today? Good morning. I'm just looking around, thank you. Keep your tone polite and relaxed. This helps you sound natural and kind. Confidence. Tip. Always begin with a smile. Your body language speaks before your words do. Step 2. Asking about items now. Imagine you're at a fruit stall. You see apples, bananas, and oranges, and you want to ask the price. Listen and repeat after me. Shadow practice. How much are these apples? How much? Does this cost? Can I have 1 kilogram, please? Do you have fresh tomatoes today? Can I get this in a smaller size? Pronunciation. Focus. Say it slowly. How much are these apples? Not how much is. Because apples is plural. Mini practice. Jessica says, "How much are these apples?" Now you repeat with confidence. How much are these apples? Great. You sound natural already. Step 3. Responding and speaking naturally. Now let's practice how to respond when the seller answers. Vendor. These apples are $3 a kilo. Jessica. Here are some natural replies you can use. Okay, that's fine. That's a little expensive. Can you make it cheaper? I'll take this one, please. Thank you. That looks good. Confidence tip. When you speak, don't rush. Take small pauses. And remember, a friendly tone makes your English sound more confident and fluent. Shadow practice. Okay, that's fine. I'll take this one, please. Repeat these lines 2 or 3 times until your rhythm feels smooth. Step 4. Completing the purchase. Now it's time to finish your shopping. You're ready to pay and say goodbye politely. Repeat after me. Shadow practice. Can I pay by cash or card? Here you go. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Now let's shadow the full conversation together. Jessica and you. Hi, good morning. How much are these apples? Okay, that's fine. I'll take 1 kilogram, please. Can I pay by card? Thank you very much. Have a great day. Fantastic. You just completed a real-life English conversation at the market. Today, you learned how to greet people politely at the market, ask for prices and items clearly, Respond naturally and confidently. Complete your shopping conversation with ease. Now you can walk into any market and speak English confidently, step by step, word by word. Remember, confidence grows with daily practice. Don't wait for perfect English. Start speaking with the English you already know. When you shadow daily, your pronunciation, tone, and speed improve naturally. Repeat this video every day for 1 week. Shadow my voice. Speak with me until your sentences flow easily. Each day, your English will sound more clear, more natural, and more confident. Great job today! You spoke English naturally, step by step, at the market. I'm Jessica, and this is Shadow and Speak English Daily. Keep practicing your daily English speaking. Follow your daily English practice, and always enjoy shadowing English with me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video for another fun and easy English lesson.